heartache I know. On my pillow and your rose, and dreaming the glow of dawn that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my love. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan. Ito ang Oasis Radyo Paraiso, Siesta, etc. At ito ang inyong Paraiso. Hello everyone, 56 million people inside our live streaming this early. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Good evening po. Sabi ni, it's me, Mr. Hart. Mr. Hart, you might want to join us later to discuss the topic. It's me, Mr. Hart. Broken-hearted po ako ngayon. Sige na ko, baka di mo ako makatulog sa topic me. So, meanwhile, let me sing the songs for you.
Battery low.
Battery low. Oh no, please don't. Alright, wag muna natin gamitin ang V9 ko. Do you still hear me? Now, do you still hear me, anak? Because I removed na yung, this one. At least you can hear me, yeah? Why am I using this? Since ang topic natin ay broken-hearted, let's go sing the song. Sayang, I love this song. Pero, I don't know if you can still hear me right, clear, and lucid, right? Do you? Hi, Roll21. Thank you for, compliments. Good. Para po sa mga malungkot sa araw na ito. Sige, Jazz. Thank you so much, Anak, for coming. Watching from Phoenix, Arizona. Hello there, Ori, Amanda. Thank you so much for dropping by again or visiting us again. Please join us, okay? Baka makapagbigay ka rin po ng payo sa ating mga broken hearted. Marami na po nasa ating live. Someday is new. My shadows are slumberless. Dearest, the shadows are moving on the lands. Blue white flowers will never awaken you. Nowhere the black coach of summer has taken you. Angels on time, oh, will return you. Will I be angry if I thought of charming you? Someday. Kumusta, Chich? Naririnig ba ako? Someday is looming with shadows I spending on. My heart and I have decided to run it on. So there'll be flowers and prayers that I said I know. But let them be, let them know that I'm glad to go. That is no dream, for in death I'm caressing you. With the last breath of my soul, I'll be blessing you. Someday. I was only dreaming. like dreaming someday. Alright, as I was saying earlier, this song was known for the Hungarian suicidal song. Ang kwento po nito kasi was the broken-hearted din po. Yung singer, composer. Kung kaya naisipan niyang mag-compose ng song na ganito na nagpapahiwatig na since namatay yung kanyang mahal, naiwan siya, hindi niya kaya. Kaya idinaan niya sa pagsulat ng isang awitin. At ito yung kanyang nabuo. It was a Sunday, at habang pinatutugtog niya to, nagpakamatay siya. Kaya, ito ay kilala bilang isang Hungarian suicidal song.